How to set up pin codes to work with BadgeHub and the readers with the keypads on them. So in the BadgeHub web client, first of all, you want to go to Database, Setup, and under Credentials, if you don't already have one, you need to add a type of pin. So you just hit the plus symbol, and it's going to open up to the screen right here. You go ahead and just give a name. Pin code obviously makes sense. For your pin types, you can do a single length or a variable length, meaning like if I want to have everybody have a 4-digit pin, I can just type in 4 for the minimum length and 4 for the maximum length. You can do variable lengths. You could do 4 for the minimum and 8 for the maximum. If you do that though, please make note of the little disclaimer here that they'll have to hit the pound sign after they type in their pin for it to know that they're done. So that is the one trade-off there for that. Once you get this done, you click on Save. And then once you click on Save, we're going to go over here to Apps. Select the app that you want to use with pins. And you're going to go to Issuance Rules. I'm going to create a new rule. We're going to go through and just choose some of the default or basic settings here. Where anybody has an active status. And the credential, this is where you're going to choose the pin code. Name, I'm just going to type in pin code. Anybody that has an active status will be able to get a pin code. So while I'm on this app page, just to make sure that my app is set up to allow pin code entry, I'm going to edit my app. And wherever you want, I used to put it on the right side, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to add, you want to make sure you add the credential manager. Since you're doing access control, you're probably going to want to add a group manager as well to assign them whatever group they have access to. Once you've got that done, you're going to switch over to your app now. You probably want to go ahead and sync your changes. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app that we've been working on. And I'm just going to pull up one of my test records here. So on the individual now, when I scroll down, this is where I can add a pin for him now. So I click on the Add Credential. Under Credential Type, I'll choose Pin Code. And this is where he could type in the pin code. It's showing you the value right now. He's able to see the pin code. You click Save. It still shows the pin code. Once you save this record and come back into it for security purpose, you'll never be able to see the pin code. So if he forgets it, you're just going to have to assign him a new pin code. So I'm going to click Save. Go ahead and pull him back up. To show you that, it should be here at the bottom. Select his record, and now when you scroll back down, you'll notice that his pin code is grayed out. Then obviously you want to go ahead and just give him the group membership. And that's all there is for pin codes.